Metazoan animals require electricity to run their nervous and muscular systems. The electricity which passes over a neuron, a nerve cell, or a muscle cell, then requires certain types of channels, potassium channels, sodium channels, calcium channels, etc., many of which are voltage activated, which open when the membrane potential changes in the cell. Interestingly, these proteins were not unique to the animals which have nervous and muscular systems, but instead they go all the way back to bacteria. All organisms possess the potassium, sodium, and calcium channels which higher animals require for their nervous and muscular systems. Here we see the electrical tracings of ECGs of the heart and of the movements of arm muscles. The electricity for these complex functions of higher animals, once again, are simply based on the modified mechanisms involving proteins which bacteria possess. Of these voltage-regulated ion channels, the potassium channel in bacteria is the simplest. It has 6 regions which pass through the cell membrane, and the 4th region is the voltage-regulated portion. Interestingly, when you look at the sodium and calcium channels, while they are more complex, one notices how they could have been constructed. They are simply 4 separate potassium type channels united in a single gene. And so the way that more complex channels were made was to simply begin with the structure of a simple channel and then use 4 versions of that in unison. And so the sodium and calcium channels were derived from multiple potassium channels.